What's up guys, Chris here from our villa in Canggu, Bali. I know I'm a terrible travel vlogger because the last time I posted on this channel it was in Thailand during Songkran. Sorry about that, been busy on different projects. It's actually been really busy since I got to Bali. Lots of creative opportunities, so I'm really excited about that. But I'm taking you along with me this weekend because Denise and I are going to North Bali, which, as you can tell from the name of that, is further north from here at the top of the island of Bali. And a lot of people don't go there because it's quite a long drive. It's going to take us 3 hours to reach the top of it in a place called Lovina Beach. What?
It's Lovina.
Okay, Lovina Beach, sorry about that. But there are a bunch of things to check out along the way, so I'm super excited. It's been a long week, and I'm excited to get out there and do some adventuring again. I'm gonna hand it over to Denise with the GoPro to film some stuff while we're on the bike, and I will see you at our first stop. Let's do it. So we actually missed the turn for the temple on the lake. It's okay, it's the same way coming back, so we're just gonna catch it on the way back. But right here we've got the famous Bali gate. Actually, I believe there's a few gates like this in Bali. Just back there we paid 30,000 per person, and then you can come in and take photos just like everyone else is doing right here. So Denise didn't really want to be filmed, but luckily I found some other models for the cinematic sequence. What's going on? We got Paul, Adam, and Ramon. What's up? This is the guy on the bike. Hey there. I'll link up all their Instagrams so you can check them out online. Thanks so much for saving the day.
Yeah, thanks
Thank you.
Cheers, Chris. Thanks, man.
All right, catch you later, guys. We're here at Pura, Ulun, Danu, and it's not very touristy at all here. There's like nobody else here apart from a few locals. There's some really good views of the lake, but it's a bit creepy because there are literally no other foreigners here. All right, so we got 8 minutes more to go until we get to this particular waterfall, but we're tossing it up because right in front of us is a very steep downhill, and with all the weight we've got on the bike, I don't know if we can make it back up, so we're 50-50. All right, we're taking the road down to the waterfall. It is pretty hectic. Visibility is kind of poor. All the smoke, not smoke, mist. Clouds. Oh, here we go. Oh my god. So steep. I definitely don't think we would have made it back up this, so it's a good thing that this will lead us to the beach. It's not just a dead end. Just finished up breakfast here at this villa with Denise, aka the Bubble Love. And you can see we just had a spot of breakfast. We're here overlooking the pool at this cool little villa called ODIKA. The plan today is we're going to visit some of the waterfalls, but we might check out a little bit of the beach as well and show you a little bit of this mysterious part of Bali. called North Bali that not many people travel to, but I'm excited to check out. So first stop, we thought it'd be silly of us to come all the way to Lovina and not come to Lovina Beach. So this is it. It's very chilled out. It is early, it's like 9 AM. I guess it's early by Bali standards. But we're at this resort called Spice Beach Resort, I believe. And they're just letting us use the sunbeds for free. So seeming Spice Beach Club wasn't going to open until 10, we decided to come around to this place called Lovina Life. Looks like a pretty cool cafe, good prices. We're going to get Denise's coffee fix, and then we're going to go check out the waterfalls hopefully.
He wants coffee too.
For those of you who are wondering about Lovina, what is this place, why does it exist? I think the main thing to do here is dolphin watching, and also scuba diving. So wherever we've gone, there's been people asking us if we want to see dolphins. Seems to be the top thing to do on TripAdvisor, but that's not how it started, right? You were telling me Lovina started, it has a funny backstory.
Oh yeah, it's actually, obviously like it doesn't sound Indonesian, but supposedly some guy started a resort here, I think like 40 to 60 years ago, and he called it the Lovina Beach Resort. And then it became such an icon in the place in North Bali that they actually changed the whole place to call it Lovina, because yeah, people started knowing it as that name. So really interesting. Just
where did you read that?
I can't remember. It might have been Wikipedia.
She read it in a magazine. Must be true.
Bill Gates, he ran a lemonade stand.
You don't know that?
Yeah, I do. I read it in a magazine.
Where did you read that?
In a magazine.
Alright, we just arrived at Aling Waterfall. Paid our entrance fee. It was 10,000 each, right, Denise?
Yeah.
But it's a funny system. They have all these rules. If you just get the standard package, you can't actually go in the water or do any activities. So it looks like we're just gonna walk and have a look. Stunning. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but this is definitely one of the most beautiful waterfalls we've seen. If you want to pay, I think it's like 115K or 125 or 115, something like that. You can get a guide to come with the life vest and you can jump off. You can go sliding down the waterfall, and then there's another jump off point down there as well. But yeah, great start to the day. We're on to the next one. So just on our way to the next waterfall when we came across this place, which appears to be called Sambangan. And it's like a beach club on like the mountains on the cliffside, and
with an infinity pool.
And it's like 20,000 to get in, so it's like probably the cheapest, nicest beach club in Bali.
It's not a beach club.
They're calling it a, oh yeah, I guess.
It's a jungle club?
Jungle club.
Cliff club.
Cliff club.
Cliff
We'll figure it out. Anyway, we're sweating so hard from that hike back up from the waterfall. So we're gonna grab some drinks, refresh, and go for a swim in the pool. So now we're gonna go to Gigip Waterfall. Everything is pretty nice about this beach club except for one thing, the music. windy drive from the waterfall, we have arrived at this beautiful lakeside restaurant just in front of the Ulun Danu Bratan. Alright guys, we have made it back to Canggu after an amazing 2 nights in North Bali. Definitely a few ups and downs, especially on those waterfalls, but thanks so much for watching and coming along with us. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at ChrisRDodd. I'll be posting more content. I've already started posting photos from North Bali on there, so definitely follow me on Instagram. And if you like this video, give me a like and click subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you then.